Welcome back, guys. Let's continue from where we left off in the last video. So previously we've exported the environment from Blender to Unity, this environment that you can see. And if you missed that video, click here to watch that. Now this time we will enter this room using Meta Quest 3. By the way, this method works on the other Quest devices as well, so you can enter via Quest 2 without any problems. Alright, without any further ado, let's start by step number 1. Make sure your device is up to date. Alright, and obviously. And step number 2, go to Edit, Project Settings, XR Plugin Management. Where? Sorry, it's in the it's in the other screen. Let me just grab that. No, not that one. Sorry. Okay, let's just take this over here. Yes, and let me just go back and do this again. All right, edit, project settings. Yes, this time it's here. XR plugin management. Click on install XR plugin management. Yes, it says installing XR management system. We gotta wait a little bit. There we have the list. So I'm gonna select Oculus here. On desktop, also in the Android, I have to select that. Let's go to Android tab and also select Oculus again. There we go. That's done. That was the step 1. No, sorry, it's step 2. Step 3, open up your browser and search for Meta Quest SDK Unity all in one. There we go. And here in the Unity Asset Store, we got this package. Yes, we have it here. So I'll just say open in Unity. Yes, package manager is loading. I want to install this Meta XR all-in-one SDK and click on install. It will install the remaining packages also. You gotta wait a little bit. I'll say don't send. We gotta restart the editor now, so let's do it quickly. I want to save it. Alright, now our editor is now reloaded. Since we installed the SDK, we have this beautiful Oculus and Meta tabs. And we gotta go to Oculus Tools and Project Setup Tools. Yes, there we go. And you can see that we have some issues. We gotta fix them all. For desktop, also for Android, we gotta say fix all. Alright, and then apply all. Do the same thing for the Android tab. Fix all and apply all. Everything applied. Now let's continue with step number, I don't know, I stopped counting. I guess 4. Since we're gonna enter this room in a VR device, we cannot use the main camera, the same main camera that we use to render a video. Okay, so we gotta delete the main camera first. I'm just gonna delete that. No, nothing happened because we got also another camera which was exported out of Blender with our scene. I'm gonna delete that, so you can see that there's no camera now. So we gotta replace it with a VR camera, which can be found in Oculus packages, Meta XR Core SDK. There we go, and prefabs. There we have OVR camera rig. Yes, let's just put it somewhere we want in the room. Okay, I guess I want to put it somewhere around there. Yes. Okay, so I won't change the Y value. It will stay 0. This means that the original position of the player should be 0. I mean, this is the position of the VR device, but it will lift up when I wear it and it will come to my eye level. Okay, so don't worry, this is gotta be 0. Okay, all right, so I noticed that the Y value actually doesn't have to be 0. It needs to, I think, half of my height. So let's just try this. 1/7 divided by 2. I'm not typing, sorry. 1.7 divided by 2. This is in meters. And I think that's gonna work. Get your beautiful Quest 3 out of its box. And don't forget to connect it to your PC via USB and enable Quest Link in your device. Also, you can use Airlink, but I like to use Quest Link with a wired connection. Now again, go to Edit and Project Settings. In the Oculus tab of the XR plugin management, go to Target Devices. Depending on what device you're going to use, I'm going to use Quest 3, so I'll select that. Uncheck Quest 2. Okay, there we go. And for the final step, we're going to go to File, Build Settings. We're going to use Android because we're using an Oculus device. And the device, it should be automatically detect here. Default device is the same, but I'm going to select Oculus Quest 3. Now I'll just click on Switch Platform. You gotta wait a little bit. We're just gonna build this thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna save that. And now I'll just click on Run. There we go. And where my headsets. Yeah, I think that's nice. I think this room looks pretty good now. Here we go. Yes, these are all the stuff that we have done in Blender. So let me just go down a little bit. So here we go. We got this chair here. I got this chair here. And all the rest of the objects here. Looking cool. Yeah, I got my lamp there. And the shadows aren't that good. You know, you can see the shadows are not that good. But we're gonna fix this. This is just the beginning, but you know, it seems nice to be able to go into a world that you can actually see stuff there. So thank you guys for joining me in this video. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.